When you look at a piece of music, you're looking at a musical staff. These are both examples of a musical staff. These are common school instruments that play in bass clef. There are 5 lines that make up the bass clef staff. You will almost always see a bass clef on the far left of your staff. The bass clef is supposed to look like a fancy F. Therefore, those 2 dots will always show you which line is F. Now that we know that this note is F, we can easily figure out all the other notes on the bass clef staff. This is our musical alphabet. Once we reach G, the alphabet starts over again. Each letter represents a different pitch or sound, so it can be helpful to visualize the alphabet going up the musical staff. The staff is made out of 5 lines. That creates 4 spaces between each line. Notes step up the staff in order line, space, etc. With this knowledge, you can count up or down the musical alphabet to figure out every note on the staff. Let's practice. We know that this note is an F. So, if we move up to the space above an F, we're going to go up the musical alphabet to the next letter, which is G. If you have a note on the staff way down here, simply count down the musical alphabet until you get to that note. So this note is an F. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to be able to read any note on the bass clef staff.